Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we will be talking about how you can add Grammarly to your Google Docs. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL docs.google.com. Once you do so, you will end up in the official page of Google Docs. Now all you need to do is open a new tab and then simply type in another URL of Grammarly, which is app.grammarly.com. To add Grammarly on your Google Docs, first of all, you should make sure that you have your Grammarly account and app downloaded on your computer or your laptop. So now when you end up in your Grammarly account, all you need to do is simply check if it is downloaded for your Chrome or not. Now, as you can confirm that it is downloaded for your Chrome, go back to your Google Docs and click on this extension button. As shown in the video, if you press on the extensions, all you need to do is press on Grammarly and on quick settings, just turn it on. So once you turn on the permission for Grammarly, your Grammarly has been added to your Google Docs. So this is how you add Grammarly on your Google Doc. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.